Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video we are going to create a snack bar or toast notification bar using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. Here you can see on my computer screen, if I click on any of these buttons, it will display one notification at the bottom, and if we click the buttons again, you will see multiple notifications. These notification bars are animated. You can see it comes smoothly from the right side and it is displaying one progress bar at the bottom which is decreasing, and after completing the progress bar this notification will be disappeared. You can see when we click on the button, the new notification is coming at the bottom. In this notification bar we have added one icon also and some text. We will create this toast notification or a snack bar using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. So keep watching this video till the end. Here in this folder you can see I have one HTML file, one CSS file. Let me open these files with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structure, and this one is the CSS file. In this HTML file I have added this link tag that will connect the HTML and CSS file. Next we will add the code within the body tag. So here we will create one div with the class name buttons, and in this buttons we will create 3 buttons with the button tag, and let's add the button text success. Let's duplicate it and change the button text. It will be error, and the next one is invalid. After that, let's come back to the folder and open this HTML file with any web browser. So you can see these 3 buttons at the top left corner. Let me close this browser and I will open this browser with the Visual Studio Code extension called Live Server, so that it will automatically refresh the website. So you can see the same web page again. Now let's come back and come to the CSS file. Here we will add body, and for this body we will change the background color. So write background and one color code. After that we will add the CSS for this buttons. So write this class name here, and for this one let's add some margin. So we will add the margin of 50 pixel. Now in this div you can see we have 3 buttons. So add this tag name button here. Write the class name here, buttons and button. So for these buttons we will add the background. So this is the background color code. Then we will change the color. It will be button text color. Then border 0 and outline 0. After that we will add the width and height. Let's add the margin. So we will get the space between these buttons and cursor will be pointer. After that you can see these buttons here. Next we have to add one div where we will display the toast notification. So let's come back, and after this div we will add another div with the ID toast box. Here I am adding ID toast box. This toast box will be in the right side at the bottom. So let's add this ID in this CSS file with the hashtag because it's an ID. Here we will add the position. Position will be absolute. Then bottom it will be 30 pixel and right 30 pixel. Let's add display. Display will be flex, and align items will be flex end. Then we will add flex direction. It will be column. So all the notifications will be displayed vertically. Here we will add overflow hidden, and let's add the padding of 20 pixel. After adding this you will not see any box on the web page because we have not added the width and height and background, but it will be displayed at this position at the bottom right side. So now let's come back and we have to add the notifications when we will click on these buttons. So to click on these buttons we will add here on click. Let's add so toast like this, and we will add the same thing in the other buttons also. Write it here and here. Next we have to define these functions. So just above this closing body tag we will add a script, and within this script we will add function and this one, so toast. So whenever this function will be executed, it should create one div, and in that div we will display the message that will be the notification. So to create one div we will add document dot create element, and with this element we will add the tag name. So the tag name will be div. So it will create one element with the div, and let's store it in a variable. So here we will add let toast. So here is the HTML element with the div, and next we have to add one class name here. So in this one we will add one class name like this, toast dot class list dot add, and in this one let's add the class name called toast. So this function will create one div and it will add one class name toast. Next we have to add some content inside this div. For that let's add toast dot inner HTML equal to, let's add the message success. So it will display this success message when the notification will be displayed. So now we have created this and we have added the class name, we had added the message, but where it should display? So it should display inside this toast box. For that here we will add one variable, let toast box equal to document dot get element by id, and here we will add this id. Now we have to display this new div inside this toast box. So write this here, toast box dot append child, and in this one just add toast. This toast will be added here. So it will add this element inside this toast box. Now after adding this, let's come back to the website, and if I click on any button, you will see success text at the bottom right side. Let's click again. You will see another message. Let's click on the second button. Again we will get the same message. Let's click on the next button. Here also we will get same message. Next we have to design these notifications. For that we will use the class name toast. You can see we have added the class name toast. So write this class name here, and for this toast we will add the width, it will be 400 pixel. Then we will add the height will be 80 pixel, and background will be white. Then we will add the font weight will be 500, and let's add the margin, it will be 15 pixel and 0. So we will get space between the notifications. After that we will add the box shadow 0, 0 and 20 pixel. After adding this, again come back and you can see these white box here, and in this one we have the message like this. To align these text we will come back, and here we will add display flex and align items center. Now you can see this text here. Let me refresh the website, and if I click on the first button you will see this notification. Let's click on second button, again we will get same notification. So we have to update this text, it should display the success, error or invalid like that, and we will add one icon also. For that let's come back and come to the HTML file, and instead of this success message we have to add the content. When we will click on these three buttons we will add different content here. So here we will add another variable. Let success message equal to successfully submitted. Now duplicate it and it will be error message, and the next one is invalid message, and we will update these messages also. So here we will add please fix the error. Now we will add the third message. We have added 3 variables here, so we will pass these messages through this click function. So in this first one we will add success message, and in the second one we will add error message, and here in the third one we will add invalid message. And when we will click here, it will call this function show toast and it will pass this one. And to receive this one, here in this show text we will add msg like this, and instead of this text we will just add msg. That's it. So it will receive the message and it will store here using inner HTML. After that, let's come back to the website, and if I click on the success, you can see successfully submitted. Let's click on the error. You will see please fix the error. Let's click on the invalid. It will display invalid input. So right now it is displaying the message. Next we have to add the icon also. To add the icon, we will come to the Font Awesome website. Here you have to create an account, then click on Kits, and after that we will click here, and you will get one line of a script like this. Just copy this one and place it inside your HTML file just above this closing head tag like this. So after adding this, again come back to the same website and click on icons, and here you can search for the icon that you want to use on your website. So here we will search for check. Let's click on this free, and we will use this one, circle check. Copy this one and we can place it here just before this success message. Place like this. We have added this icon. Now we will add the another icon. Here we will search for X mark. Click here, copy this one and add it here in the second one. Now again come back and we will search exclamation. Click here, copy this one and come back, add it here. So after adding this, let's come back to the website again, and if I click on the success, you will see one icon and text. Let's click again, you will see this cross icon. Let's click on invalid and you will see this exclamation icon and text. Next we have to design these icons also. So let's come back, and here we will add dot toast and I, because we have added the icon with the I tag. So for these icons we will add margin. Margin will be 0 and 20 pixel. Then we will add font size. It will be 35 pixel and color it will be green. So it will display the green color for the icon. Let's see. You can see the green color for the success and error and invalid. All three icons are displaying in green color, but we have to change the color for the invalid icon and error icon. For that we have to add one more class name in the error notification and invalid notification. So let's come back. Here we will add if msg, which is this one msg, or this message will be this one or this one, any of three, dot includes. You can see here in this message we have the error. So write includes error. Then it should add one class name. So write this one, class list dot add error. It will add one error class name. And let's duplicate it. Here we will add invalid. So if the error message includes invalid, it will add the invalid class name. Next we have to add the CSS for the error class name and invalid class name. So let's come back to the CSS file, and here we will add dot toast dot error, then I. If toast has one more class name called error, then the I color will be different. So here let's add the color red, and again write toast dot invalid and I. Now we will add color, so the color will be orange. After that, you can see we have different color in the success, error and invalid icon. Right now all the notifications are visible continuously, so we have to hide this notification after few seconds. For that, let's come back, and in this script, within this function, here we will add set timeout. In this set timeout, we will add toast dot remove. So it will remove this element, and it will be removed after 6 seconds. So we will add 6000 millisecond, like this. So after 6 seconds, it will remove this toast. Let's come back and see. Let's click on the success. It will display the notification and it will be hidden after 6 seconds. You can see it disappeared. Next, in this notification bar, we have to add one progress bar that will be decreasing. So let's come back, and here we will add toast after, and content will be empty, then position will be absolute, and left it will be 0, and bottom 0. Then we will add the width, it will be 100%, and height will be very small, like 5 pixel. Then we will add the background will be this one, green, and after that we have to add the animation. Let's add the animation. Animation name is anim, and it will be for 5 seconds, linear and forwards. In this one we are adding position absolute, so in this toast we will add the position relative, like this. And after adding this, let's come back to the website. If I click on success, you can see one green color of line at the bottom. Let's click on the error, again we will get the same thing, and let's click on the invalid. Here also we will get the line. Next we have to animate this, so let's come back, and here we will add @ keyframes anim. Here we will add 100% and width 0. So you can see the width is 100%, and in 5 seconds it will become 0. Let's check this one. If I click on success, you can see this horizontal line is decreasing. Let's click on the another one. You can see these lines are decreasing. Next we have to change the line color for the error message and invalid message. For that, let's come back, and here we will add toast.error after. Let's add the background will be red. Let's duplicate it, and it will be invalid, and the background will be orange. After adding this, come back to the website, and if I click on success, you will see green line. Click on error, you will see red line. Let's click on invalid, and you will see orange line. Right now these notifications are appearing instantly, so we have to add the animation while coming the notification. So let's come back, and here we have the toast. So in this one we will add transform translate x. It will be 100%, so it will be in the right side. Let's add the animation. Animation will be move left 0.5 seconds and linear forwards. And now we will add the keyframes. So add a space and write keyframes, then move left and at 100%. This transform translate x will become 0. So write 0 like this, and after that come back to the website. If I click on the button, you can see it is coming from the right side. So this animation looks very beautiful. So finally we have created this beautiful snack bar or toast notification bar using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.